ang pinakainit ka issue. Ano bang impeachment? Sino ang cover ng impeachment? Tama ba yung pag-impeach kay, ang procedure sa pag-impeach kay Vice President Sara Duterte? No? Ano ba itong impeachment process?
Well, the impeachment process is actually a constitutional process of removing high public officials, no? Limang mga officials, ang presidente, vice presidente, members ng Supreme Court, members of the Constitutional Commissions, and ombudsman. Under the 1987 Constitution, specifically Article 11, nakasaad po doon na tatlong ways po ang pag-file ng impeachment. Una, any citizen would file a verified complaint citing the 6 grounds for impeachment. No? Ano itong 6 grounds? Culpable violation of the Constitution, treason, bribery, graft and corruption, other high crimes, and betrayal of public trust. 6.
Yung proseso ba na ginamit in impeaching Vice President Sara Duterte, nag-conform ba siya dun sa constitutionally mandated process of impeachment?
Sa tingin ko, hindi. Lack of due process. Wala ini-include sa order of business, hindi ni-refer to the proper committee on justice within 3 days thereafter.